What's up guys? Today or tonight we're gonna be eating at Ichiran Ramen. It's the first time I've ever eaten here. We do have the instant one, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out. We're gonna wait in this line and we're gonna have Ichiran Ramen. I'll show you what it's all about. Let's go. As you can see, Ichiran Ramen is very popular. Regardless of whatever time, this is like 24-hour. The line will always be long, so you're gonna have to, if you want to eat, prepare to wait in line. It'll take you a bit, but you'll get there. Yes, moving. Almost there. Ichiran Ramen. All right, we're almost there. You could also refill on noodles and soup. And there's some rice, some pork, and all this stuff. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can and make it real good. Okay, so Ichiran, you're gonna go in and you're gonna tap the machine and make your order. That's what I'm gonna show you. And then you're gonna get this ticket and you're gonna go down and then give it at a booth. It's like a solo booth. There's even free tea that I know you can put, or water, hot water, and there's even the original Ichiran blended tea that they have here at Ichiran. This location is in Ikebukuro. We'll go ahead and check that out, get some grub in, and you guys will see what else we have to show you. So we're in, and then you gotta circle your preference. The recommended is medium. The richness, I wanted the rich. The garlic, I like a lot of garlic. Let's do 1 clove. And I do like green onion. Chasu with pork, I like the pork. Spicy, we do medium, a little hot than regular. And the noodles that I want firm or soft, I want it medium. That is what we also got. And maybe 1, 2, 3 things that is not recommended. Very interesting. Also, here's the machine that I was saying that we're gonna go ahead and order from. Yes, there's also in English if you want stuff. We're gonna go ahead and get 5 select Tonkatsu classic. I'll just get the regular classic Tonkatsu. And we're gonna give it that mushroom. We're gonna give it that seaweed. We're gonna get some extra pork and a half-boiled egg, and I think we're good. Premium vinegar. And why not try this bottle of their green tea, or original tea, and we'll pay. My total is about $20. Okay. Oh yes, finish. Okay, thank you. Okay. Get some change first. Ticket. Change. That's a lot of change. And a lot. That is a lot. We ordered so much. Thank you, bro. Number 10? Okay, thank you. So we're on number 10 right over here. And there is some space. I think you put your stuff here and things. Crazy. So this is how Ichiran is. We got the boiled egg already, and then this is for the drink, water, I believe. I am thirsty. Cold water. And you can make a special request without speaking. And this one is, I don't know the ordering process. I like kids' roll and utensils. It's noisy. I'll leave my seat for a moment. And there's all these things that you can also add more to your order. Again, you saw me order all those things. Hopefully I filmed it right. Yeah. This is Ichiran. Also, we got the original tea here. I wanted to try it out. And I'll go ahead and show you when the food comes. But you could have a bag. Put your bag there, hang your coat there. And drink again. So this is my first time here in Ichiran Ramen. It's like more for like a solo dining. All you have is this little cubicle where you can stay and eat at. And pretty much I kind of went crazy just to make the soup really, you know, creative and all these other toppings and stuff. I'm gonna wait for the soup and we'll drink this one. This was the original tea by Ichiran original tea. I'm gonna wait for the soup and we'll eat it all and I'll show you how it is and all that stuff that I got. Of course, they got chopsticks, very interesting. And I showed you all of these little tabs. This one is the funny one. It's noisy. We got our food here. Arigato. And we're done, we're complete. That is pretty good looking, as always. It looks really hot. I love their spoon. This is like a pork broth and there's some spices. We're gonna mix that up. We have some green onions, some extra chasu that I got. We're just gonna go ahead and just throw this on there. I was gonna get rice, but I didn't know how crazy this bowl is. It's a pretty big bowl. You could get a bigger bowl. I'm just gonna spill all that in there. And of course, I'm gonna mix it all up. This is looking great. Look at that. There's like mushrooms and all that stuff. And of course, we got an egg that we're gonna crack and throw it in there. Alright, so we cracked the egg. And I just open it up, having a hard time. Wow, these are pretty nice hard-boiled eggs. Very easy to peel and it doesn't like break. Egg, put that in, and this is part of the thing. It's a vinegar with the egg in there. All right, let's go eat. Itadakimasu. All right. Also, you don't do this. You do this to clean up chopsticks, because if you do this, it's for like pour and you're calling the spirits. First thing we gotta do is try the broth. Whoa. Straight from the start, this broth. It has a kick, spicy, that vinegar goes really well. Might just already be top. One of my best ramens I've ever eaten in my life. I'll try this. The broth goes really well, and this little chasu is so good. It's a big bowl. Oh man. Try that. These are mushrooms, I believe. Wow. Those mushrooms are kikurage mushrooms. Ooh. Really good soup. Wow, that is perfect for your tired body. It'll give you energy. Let me bite this egg. Oh man. Look at that. Just how I love eggs. Oh man. I hope you guys are enjoying me do this mukbang here at Ichiran Ramen. I should have ordered another egg. And I know you could get more noodles here. Also, you gotta see this chasu. It is beautiful. I can't really show you, it's a tight space to film, but this is it. I recommend you guys try Ichiran Ramen. Also, for you to know, the history of this was actually based off, the first one was in Fukuoka, I believe. Fukuoka is like the southern part of Japan. It's like near Oita, which I've been. Oh, look at it. Oh man, I should have got more seaweed as well. That was a good seaweed. Eat all the egg. The noodles are still a bit harder for what I'm used to, but next time I'm gonna get it softer because this is good. These are like kind of like pancit noodles, but the texture of it. That vinegar that mixed up with the tonkatsu, the bone broth of the pork, so good. I can't stress it. Also, get more green onions if you're here. There's even white onion. There's all types of stuff they could add more. I would recommend you get more. All these toppings complement each other to making this soup really good. Ichiran Ramen. And of course, go ahead and refill this. It's like a cold, your own personal tap, cold water. And I do love spice, so this is not really kicking my ass. This spice is pretty mild. I would need it more harder. I wouldn't recommend the instant one. I would recommend you just come and get Ichiran at Ichiran. The wait is worth it. It's not that bad. And a lot of cool toppings. I'm gonna devour this right now. I wish I ordered more of the chatsu. But again, you can put more. I'm just trying to limit myself and not try to eat too much, but you can. And also, when you do eat noodles or stuff at Japan thing, they do like you slurping, making noise. It's like a compliment. Oh man. Not a damn chance. That was Ichiran Ramen. Go ahead and wash it down with the original tea. I'm not sure if it's oolong or barley, but we'll try this. Oh, it's like jasmine tea. I'm not sure what it is. That might be jasmine. Very easy. It is good. I give this maybe 8 out of 10. Only because I failed myself to put more stuff and make it really good. But yeah, that is Ichiran Ramen. Game over. I'm full. Let's go.